Last night I was watching the Milan game. You know how much I love Italy? AS. I adore Milan, Inter Milan. So as I was saying, while I was watching this soccer ball, I thought to myself, why not make this exact ball in Blender? Come on, let me show you exactly how you can make this ball for yourself. Alright, we delete the cube and I select the negative angle. Press Shift plus A, and from the mesh section I select sphere. Then I go to the modifiers. Under generate, I choose Subdivision Surface and set it to 2. Make sure to set it to 2, then apply it. Okay. Now at this point I am going to move on to discussing the material. I assign it a material, set the color to white so that it's white. Okay, now let's go ahead and enter into edit mode. Simply press the tab key on your keyboard and it will immediately switch over to edit mode for you. Next, from the select section located on the left, I am going to choose the select circle tool. So I will come over here and press the number 3 key so that it automatically selects all of the individual faces for me. I select this part, okay? I press Shift plus G and then I choose face origin, okay? Now I press Ctrl and I to invert the selection. After that, I assign it another material, giving it a different color, black. Then I click Assign as well. Okay? Okay. Alright, now I come over here and select the box, or what is sometimes called the rectangle select tool, from the toolbar. I press 2 to switch to edges. I hold down Alt and Shift. Please select the exact same parts that I am selecting right now. Okay? So after I select, I press Shift plus G. I am currently in the process of selecting the face angles. At this point, it is very important that you enter the exact number I am giving you. You should type a decimal point, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and then a 1. Once that is done, I will enter that value into the field. Okay? Now that it's successfully selected, I'll press Ctrl B to apply the bevel effect. Next, I'm going to carefully increase the number of segments just a little bit to smooth it out. After that, I'll navigate over to the extrude section and specifically select the option to extrude along the normals. Okay, it actually goes down very smoothly. That is definitely a very good thing. A bit lower. Okay, that's great. Now let's go ahead and switch over to object mode. Okay. Alright, let's go back to the modifiers again. Guys, you can actually use a shortcut key here. Instead of having to select the subdivision surface from the menu, just select your object and then press Ctrl plus 3 on your keyboard. Okay, see? So I press Ctrl plus 3. The shortcut key actually for subdivision surface, if you hold Ctrl and press 3, it sets your viewport to 3 and also selects subdivision for you. I right clicked and set it to shade smooth as well. I go to the render section. In this session, together we have created a beautiful soccer ball. Now that it is finished, you can choose to light it up or even animate it. So just like that, we have successfully made a soccer ball from scratch. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found the process helpful for your project. Until we meet again in the next tutorials, goodbye for now.